Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Kia Telluride EX in dark moss. With forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 111198.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.